So, making KFC chicken, which is chicken, and in there you've got turmeric, mixed herbs, garlic pepper, garlic salt, smoked paprika, and then some Cajun, and then some oil, and then that's all mixed in. Then we have the outside batter, which is the breadcrumb batter. That is flour, cornmeal, corn flour, and then all of them herbs again. And then we have the batter mix, which is to go in with the chicken, and that is milk, flour, all of them herbs, plus an egg. The flour is about a cup and a half, but I just use 6 tablespoons. And then we're gonna put this in there, then mix that up. Then from there we put each bit of chicken in these breadcrumbs, and then from there we go into the fryer, and then I'll show you the results. But I'll show you the process of a bit of chicken. So you could, I'm going to add this in there, but for now, because they're going to get mixed together anyways, I'll just show you the process. Bit of chicken all marinated, dip it in here, like that, let all that come off. Otherwise, if you let all that drain, this is why you normally let it sink in when you put it in here. Like this. You end up with loads of the batter mix in there, and then this hardens up, and then you have to make more. Blah blah blah. It's a bit crazy, but that's, yep. From there to there to there into the chip pan, and then I'll show you the results of the chicken. And I didn't actually video me frying it, but that's the result after frying it. All scrummy and crispy and lovely all around. There you go.